Hello student, in last video we see addition of fraction, addition of like fraction, addition of unlike fraction. Today we are going to learn subtraction of fraction. Subtraction of like fractions we see. Here we see the subtraction of unlike fraction. How can we make the subtraction of unlike fraction? Suppose here we take one example, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then how can we make the subtraction? Here we see denominator are not same. Denominators are not same. First here we have to make denominator same. How can we make denominator same? By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. So look here, 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 minus 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 into 3, 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And then answer is 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. In exercise number 22, in exercise number 22, we see the first example, that is 3 by 10 minus 1 by 20. 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10 minus 1 by 20. 1 by 20. This 10 is converted into 20. This 10 is converted into 20. How can we convert this 10 into 20? That is multiple by 2. Multiple by 2. Then 3, 10 into 2 and 3 into 2 minus 1 by 20. आपण हे 1 by 20 as it is ठेवले. का ठेवले? इथं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन नाही केलेलं. का नाही केलं? बिकॉज आपल्याला ह्या 10 चं कन्वर्जन 20 मध्ये करता येणार आहे. इन लास्ट व्हिडिओ वी सी द टू मेथड्स ऑफ ॲडिशन बाय क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, आणि या पद्धतीने आपण याचे डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करून सुद्धा घेऊन आपण त्याचं ॲडिशन करू शकतो. त्याच पद्धतीने आपण सबट्रॅक्शन सुद्धा करू शकतो. म्हणजे इथं या 10 चं कन्वर्जन 20 मध्ये करता येतं. कसं? तर 10 into 2. 10 into 2. In denominator we multiply by 2. So also in numerator we multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 10 2s are 20. And then 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Then here is a 6 minus 1 divided by 20. That is equal to 5 by 20. That is equal to 5 by 20. Then they give us another example, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. How can we convert this 2 into 4? We convert this 2 into 4 by multiple by 2. So we put here 3 by 4 as it is minus 1 by 2. 2 into 2. This 2 multiply by 2, then this convert into 4. In denominator we multiply by 2. So also in numerator we multiply by 2. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. That is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. Then we see the third example, that is 6 by 14, 6 by 14 minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7. Here we see, here denominator is 14 and here is a 7. This 7 we convert into 14. Multiple by 2. Multiple by 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Then that is equal to 6 by 14 minus 2 by 7. 7 into 2, 2 into 2. That is equal to 6 by 14 minus 2 into 2, 4. 7 into 2, 14. That is equal to 6 minus 4 divided by 14. That is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. 2 divided by 14. 2 divided by 14. Then we solve third example, that is 4 by 6 minus 3 by 5. 4 by 6 minus 3 by 5. How can we solve here? Here we have to do cross multiplication because we cannot convert 6 into 5 or 5 into 6. Then here we have to make a cross multiplication. How can we make cross multiplication? Look here. In last video also we see that here, that is 4 into 5. 4 into 5 cross multiplication. Then 6 into 5. 6 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 3 into 6 divided by 5 into 6. 5 into 6. Then 5 4s are 20 divided by 6 5s are 30 minus 6 3s are 18. 6 5s are 30. Then 20 minus 18 divided by 30. That is equal to 2 by 30. 2 by 30. Then the last example, that is 2 by 7 minus 1 by 4. So look here, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 4. 2 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Then here also we have to do cross multiplication. We have to do cross multiplication because we cannot convert 7 into 4 or 4 into 7. So we have to make cross multiplication. Then how can we make cross multiplication? You know, 2 into 4 and 1 into 7. That is equal to 2 into 4 divided by 7 into 4 minus 1 into 7 divided by 4 into 7. That is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 1 into 7, 7, and 7 4s are 28. 4 7s are 28. So here 8 minus 7 divided by 28, that is equal to 1 by 28. 1 by 28. In this way we solve problem set number 22. In last video we see addition of fraction, and in this video we see subtraction of fraction. ॲडिशन आणि सबट्रॅक्शन याच्यामध्ये काही फरक नाही आहे, फक्त ॲड आणि सबट्रॅक्ट करणं एवढाच भाग येतो. बाकी आपल्याला डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करावे लागतात. जर डिनॉमिनेटर सेम असतील तरच आपण त्यांची बेरीज किंवा वजाबाकी करू शकतो. आता डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करण्याच्या दोन पद्धती तुम्हाला सांगितल्या. जिथं आपल्याला डिनॉमिनेटर चेंज करता येतो, म्हणजे असा या 7 चे आपल्याला 14 करता येतात. कसे करता येतात? 7 into 2 असेल तर आपण इथं 14 करू शकतो. तर या पद्धतीने सुद्धा आपण एक गणित सोडवू शकतो, किंवा आपल्याला या पद्धतीने क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करावं लागतं. आपण ह्या उदाहरणांचा जास्तीत जास्त सराव करायचा आहे. मी लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये सुद्धा तुम्हाला 10 उदाहरणं दिली होती. या व्हिडिओमध्ये सुद्धा तुम्हाला 10 उदाहरणं देणार आहे आणि ती तुम्ही काय करणार आहात, तुम्ही तुमच्या वहीमध्ये वर्क म्हणजे ॲज अ होमवर्क म्हणून सोडवणार आहात. सो हिअर इज अ 10 एक्झाम्पल्स. 3/4 minus 1/8, 5/6 minus 2/7, 4/5 minus 3/7, then fourth one 2/3 minus 4/8, fifth one 7/9 minus 2/3, sixth example 3/4 minus 1/2, seventh example 5/3 minus 1/7, eighth example 2/3 minus 1/6, 9/1. Here denominators are same. Then what can we do? इथे आपल्याला क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन किंवा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करून घ्यायची गरज नाही. बघा आणि काळजीपूर्वक आपण गणितं बघितली पाहिजेत आणि ही उदाहरणं तुम्ही तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून घ्या आणि ॲज अ होमवर्क म्हणून सोडवा. सो थँक्यू.